Hello and welcome to my channel. My hook is 3.5 millimeter. For this pattern I need to make a magic ring, so for that I go like this, with my hook right there, and now grab the yarn, pull through, and again make a chain right there, and I have the magic ring right here. Now I need to go into the magic ring with 8 single crochet. Grab the yarn, pull through, grab the yarn and pull through the 2 loops. That's my first single crochet, and again 2 single crochet, I go back, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now I close the ring. I pull this yarn to close the ring, and now what is the first single crochet? I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with my hook, and now I make a slip stitch. Grab the yarn, pull through that, and right here. Now I chain 1 and I make a long loop. Now yarn over, go with my finger right there, I go with my hook in the same space, I make the slip stitch, grab the yarn and make a long loop, and again yarn over, I go back in the same space, make another long loop. This is 2, again yarn over, I go back, 3, yarn over, I go back, 4. Now I grab the yarn and pull through all of them, make 1 chain and 2, yarn over, and I move to the next chain. And again I go with 4 long loops, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Grab the yarn, pull through everything right there, and I chain 2. And now again I yarn over and I move to the next stitch. I'll do like this in each stitch. At the end I will have 8 of them. I have 8 of them, 2, 4, 6, 8. I chain 2, and now right here, what is the, you see, is the hole right there. I go with my hook and I make a slip stitch, and now I cut the yarn, and I need to hide that yarn right over there. I change the color, so now I go with my hook right here on top. I grab the new color, pull through, make a chain and a long loop, not too long but a long loop, yarn over, and I go back and I make a half double crochet. Now between I'll go and make 3 half double crochet. So yarn over, I go between, with a 1 half double crochet, yarn over, go back, 2 half double crochet, yarn over, go back, 3 half double crochet. Now I move right here in top of the puff stitch, yarn over, I go there with 1 half double crochet, again between, I go with 3 half double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Right here in the puff, 1 half double crochet, and I repeat. I finish with 3 half double crochet. Now where is my first chain? Right there, loop, I go with a slip stitch. Now here I chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. I yarn over 2 times and I go back in the same space and I make a treble crochet. So yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and the last 2. That's 1. I need 2 more. So yarn over 2 times, I go back in the same space and finish the treble crochet, and 1 more time. Now I move to the next stitch and I go with 3 treble crochet. 1, 2, and 3, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, go back in the same space with a slip stitch, and I cut my yarn. And of course I will hide the yarn right here in the back. Now I go with my hook right on this chain right here, grab the yarn, pull through, and here I chain 10. 1, 2, I lose them a little bit, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now I turn and I see the little bumps, so I'll go in the bump and make a single crochet, and over to the next one a half double crochet, to the next one a double crochet, now into the next 3 I go with a triple crochet, so 3 triple crochet, that's 1, again yarn over 2 times, move to the next bump, make my second treble crochet, and 1 more time to the next one, three of them. Now I go with a double crochet, a half double crochet, and where I made the first chain, I go with a slip stitch. Now again I chain 10 and I repeat everything I did right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, and repeat everything. I did the half double crochet, and now I go in the same space with a slip stitch right there. and I cut the yarn and I hide the yarn. Now I count 10 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go with my hook. 10 of them. Then I go with my hook. Grab the yarn, pull through. Now here I chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. I yarn over and I go back in the same space with 2 incomplete double crochet. Yarn over and I go back, and now I grab them and pull through all the loops. Now I move to the next stitch and I do the same, 2 double crochet together. Grab them and I pull through, and here I chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and I go back in the same space with a slip stitch, and I cut the yarn and hide the yarn. Now I count 9 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Grab the yarn. Here I chain 2. Now grab the yarn and move to the next one with 3 half double crochet. 1, 2, and 3 in the same space. Now I go to the next stitch with a slip stitch and I cut the yarn.